Welcome to our extraordinary quest where we dive deep into the profound realms of spirituality and science. In this captivating series, we will unravel the mysteries and explore how these two powerful forces are linked across the past, present, and future. Spirituality, at its core, is the exploration of our innermost essence and connection to something greater than ourselves. It encompasses practices like meditation, mindfulness, and the pursuit of higher truths. On the other hand, science is the systematic study of the natural world, driven by curiosity, observation, and experimentation. Throughout history, spirituality and science have been intertwined. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Mayans developed intricate spiritual belief systems while observing the celestial wonders, laying the foundations for astronomy and mathematics. These ancient practices inspire us even today. In the present, scientific advancements continue to shed light on the profound nature of our reality. Quantum physics, for example, reveals the mind-boggling behavior of particles, challenging our understanding of space, time, and consciousness. These findings align with spiritual concepts such as interconnectedness and the power of intention. To explore this further, we engage in enlightening discussions with esteemed spiritual leaders and scientific visionaries. They provide invaluable insights into the connections between spirituality and science, helping us understand how these realms enrich our lives. Take mindfulness, for instance. Scientific studies demonstrate the positive effects of mindfulness practices on mental and physical health. By cultivating present moment awareness, we can reduce stress, enhance focus, and experience a profound sense of inner peace. These findings bridge the gap between spirituality and science, highlighting their shared goal of improving human well-being. Looking towards the future, spirituality and science continue to evolve hand in hand. Advancements in neuroscience, for instance, are exploring the neural correlates of spiritual experiences, deepening our understanding of the brain-spirituality connection. Moreover, emerging technologies like virtual reality provide immersive platforms for spiritual exploration and growth. By embracing the intertwined nature of spirituality and science, we unlock a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Together, we embark on a transformative journey where ancient wisdom and scientific discoveries merge, shaping a future where spirituality and science harmoniously coexist. Subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this enlightening adventure. Let's delve into the intricate tapestry of spirituality and science, uncovering the timeless wisdom and groundbreaking insights that bridge the past, present, and future. Get ready to expand your mind, challenge your beliefs, and embark on a fascinating exploration of the interconnectedness of all things.